Alright guys, let's discuss a simple Java coding question which is to count the number of changing keys. Welcome to 100 days, 100 interview questions for SDET. Now suppose we have been given a string input which has the value A, B, B, C. Our job over here is to tell how many keys have been changed in the string. Note here, only when the alphabet changes, we will be counting it as a key change. For example, A to B and from B to C. Also, transition from small b to capital B will not be counted as a key change because they are still the same alphabet. So looking at the input, we can clearly say that the count of the key change is 2. That's from A to B and B to C. Now with this in mind, let's try to understand the logic for the same. We are going to start by creating a variable called count whose job is to hold the total count of the key change. Next, create a variable called last key which is going to hold the last key which we have iterated so far. And we are going to initialize it with the first character of a string using the character at method. Now iterate over the string using a simple for loop from index 1 to the last index of the string. And try to retrieve each character from the string. And check if the last character is same as the current character. If they are not same, just increment the count and then update the last key with the current one. Now the next character in the string is a capital B and our last key is small b. Since both the alphabet are same, it's not counted as a key change, so count will not be incremented, but the last key will be updated with a capital B. Lastly, the next character is C, which is definitely a key change, so we will increment the count and also update the last key with C, and we are done.